Wendy's is not so good for you, Pop. Wendy's well, the meat's never frozen, and apparently the meat is real. So it's not terribly bad for you, but it's not that good for you either. Okay, we win. I had to start my day with Duncan. I'll be honest, I'm kind of afraid of losing my phone. I got this tripod thing. I got God with me, I got God with me. I got God with me, I got. Be careful walking on here, okay? About 15 minutes away from Prince Frederick, which is right around the corner from Benedict, which is where we're staying. Pop just gave up his tablet, he's tired. So we're just gonna stop somewhere to grab some snacks for the night and some water for the morning, and then we're going to sleep. So see you guys in the morning. Oh, say good morning. Look over here. We are here in Benedict, Maryland at Endeavor Point. Let's see. So we just woke up. Pop is like, it was wake up time. I'm like, all right. So we are about to hit up Walmart because we didn't get a chance to grab like firewood and food and stuff. So this ain't one of those like, yeah, we're just going to, you know, survive off of what we catch trip. But gonna go get some food and stuff. Set up and get dressed, get some food, and start our day. Get a line in the water as soon as possible. All right, so we'll see y'all in a little bit. Super beautiful out here, as usual. I'm getting there. We're gonna go grab some Dunkin'. I had to start my day with Dunkin'. I mean, come on, if you know me, you know I do Dunkin'. You know what I'm saying? Every morning. Pop likes Dunkin' too, right? I wanna see something dope. So I'm grabbing some kindling, right? Grabbing the rest of these piles, that pile right here. I done stacked up the van with wood. Guess how much it costs? $20, baby. How you feeling? You're here. The woodman was gracious enough to give us plenty of kindling for the wood. What is kindling? Stuff to start the fire and keep the fire going. Boom, small pieces of wood. So I like to make a little box. Almost like you're stacking wood, like Jenga. So boom, 2 on one side, 2 on the other, and a bunch of small pieces in between. This is how you start a fire. We're not gonna start it right now, but you'll see later on when we do start it, how quickly it grows. I always bring cardboard because cardboard lights easily and it burns really good. So after I make my little house, my little foundation or whatever, I put a bunch of torn pieces of cardboard in the middle. So that way when it lights, it gets really hot on the inside because it's a lot of fuel burning. Pop, come come over here for a second. No, come to me. Come over here. Yeah. Could you tell the people what starts a fire? No? I thought you were telling me the other day. What starts the fire? Tell the good folks that are watching OTAdventures. All right. Well, since Bob doesn't want to tell you, I'll tell you.
No, I can tell you.
All right. Well, wait. 3 things that start a fire. What are they? That you need for a fire?
I just said it.
I can't hear you.
I just said fuel.
Fuel. Fuel. What else? Air. And what else? One more thing. And heat. Fuel, air, and heat. So, cardboard is going to act as our fuel. Once we get this thing lit from the heat, the air is going to flow through our house, our little stacked up house right here, and we're going to have a nice fire, trust me. And I said, these are the perfect conditions. We got a nice little fire pit right here set up by our the lovely folks at Endeavor Point, Sophia. So, boom. That's it right there. Let me show y'all so I can see a little closer. Boom. So that's our little stack. Got the firewood in between. And when it's time, we're gonna light that mug. Actually, I'm gonna stack the firewood around it.
I got God with me, I got God. Yeah, my God been through it all since I was born. He been my God, he keep it real, I keep it calm when I'm with him, cause he a boss. Don't be tripping when we kick it, just be focused on the mission. It's a system that's been proven, just stay humble, keep it moving.
Oh shoot, we're used to this lifestyle. I just said oh shoot because, I mean, either way, I'll be good. But basically, I have to create a little space in between so when I do light something to put it in there, I can make sure it catches from the bottom first. So the flame starts to burn from the bottom, starts to light everything around it, and then everything eventually will catch fire. But you really want to get the middle really nice and hot first. So I'm not going to put any more wood on it. I'll probably light paper towel. Paper towel is great. Might light another piece of cardboard. Stuck it in there in the middle and just let it, fan it a little bit so more air can allow it to grow, and boom, we'll have a nice big fire.
If I keep drifting away, I'll never learn to stay. I'm safe by your side. It's best that I abide. Your love is true. No sense in wasting time. Unbelief should be a crime. I'll abide. Everything else to the side. I'll abide. I'll abide. Everything else to the side. I'll abide.
Tripod thing, but it's really windy out here, so I may only limit our experience to when we do have a bite, when we got something on. Hey y'all, so we weren't able to keep the camera up earlier because it was super duper windy. I don't have a GoPro yet, so we just have like the iPhone with a tripod, and it was extremely windy. I'd have lost my phone in the water if I'd have kept it up. It's amazing that it stands still right now. You might see it start to shake. So right now, so let me give you a little recap of what happened. Pop caught 3 fish, three perch. He's playing with it right now on the table. We are about to make dinner. He said he wanted steak and oatmeal. I never had steak and oatmeal, but we're gonna make it happen for the captain. So his nose is a little runny. I'm gonna get him something to wipe his nose. And we are just sitting here enjoying the fruits of our labor. I just filleted his fish, and we're gonna have a good time just by the fire and enjoying some sirloin steak and some oatmeal. So oatmeal fries for today. Grab that bag, Puppo. Oatmeal definitely burned up a little bit. It's crazy, huh?
It's in the paper bag. It's in the fuel. Why did you put the oatmeal in trash?
Did you say, Pop?
Why did you put oatmeal in the trash?
I didn't put any oatmeal in the trash.
The oatmeal box.
Oh. We're gonna burn that box.
There's more oatmeal in that box.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't put it in the trash then.
It's in there.
Okay. This is yours. It's hot. Ooh. All right, so this is our nighttime. Well, we went through our nighttime routine already. Read our Bible. Now we're about to go to sleep.
And look at the fire.
And look at our fire. So let me turn off the light so you guys can get like kind of real, a better view of what we see. A more realistic view. This got the flash on it. All right, here we go. So that thing right here is the window, and this is our view of our fire outside.
And it's bright.
That's our nightlight, Pop.
It's a nightlight.
Hmm?
This is a night light?
It just hit you what I said, yeah.
This is a night light?
The fire is our night light.
Okay. This.
Alright, Pop.
Now we finally see it.
Yeah, we saw it before, too.
Hello.
Yes.
You remember we were looking at the window yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
And we were looking and we rinsed the fire.
We what the fire?
We rinsed it.
Rinse the fire?
Yeah.
Put water on it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we didn't look at it. We were looking out the outdoors and our dentist and everywhere. But not cool enough. I want to get fish, big one. Mine just swimming. Oh.
It's time to go. All right, go ahead, Pop. Pour it on there. This is it. Make sure you put out your fires at the end of your trips. Don't climb in there.
No. We're running out of water.
All right, you can use all of it. Go ahead and use all of it. Make sure you get all that wood. Make sure that wood is nice and moist. Give it all, so the fire doesn't rekindle. All right, good job, Bob.
That's
So we are back in Philadelphia. Bob, how was your weekend? Bobo,
yeah.
did you have a good weekend?
Yep.
We left this morning, well, this afternoon around like 1:30, and we are back. It's like 4 or something. My clock is like 4 hours behind, so I believe it's 4:45. It took us about 3 hours. But now, the Lord had it on my heart to go down there. That's why I went. I like canceled things that were really important to go down there. But on the drive back, He made it clear that there's a lot of work to be done, and the focus has to be even more focused and stronger. And I had to be a little bit more vigilant in making sure we accomplish these things. The space down there is beautiful, and we got to make some things happen on that site. So, yeah, I'm glad I went, glad we went, and the adventure is just beginning. It's just beginning. It's just starting. So, stay on the lookout for more things to come. But I guess I can give you a little hint. But yeah, we might be having a festival soon. All right. OTAdventures.
I'ma be more like my God and be consistent. I'ma be more like my God and